मैं एक एस्ट्रोनॉट बनना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि ये मेरे पापा का ख्वाब है। हमारे गांव में कोई डॉक्टर नहीं है जो हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, हमें 2 किलोमीटर दूर पड़ता जाना है। मैं बनना चाहती हूँ, मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ और जो बड़े लोग हैं वो बीमार हो मैं उनको दवाई दूँ और वो जल्दी से ठीक हो जाए।
अगर हम पढ़ाई में ध्यान दें ना पूरे तो हम पढ़ सकते हैं और आगे भी बढ़ सकते हैं, बड़े होकर कुछ भी बन सकते हैं।
Formally started working as a foundation in around September 2014. That's when we started our first project, which is now called the Prayogshala. It was a learning lab. The vision of the organization has always been to create 360-degree learning opportunities for children, irrespective of where they come from.
As teachers, we got together and designed this model where we built 2 tracks, teacher track and school leader track, keeping the child in the center. So I think that was the idea behind, that was a journey where I think from volunteering or from a fellowship or from being a teacher and by training being another profession, we all cross paths and we realized that we have different identities to play in different parts of this journey.
SCF has brought the support which we really needed as a teacher coach.
हमारी ट्रेनिंग्स मुझे बहुत मोटिवेट करती हैं। ट्रेनिंग्स में जैसे अभी हमारी लेटेस्ट ट्रेनिंग हुई, उसमें मेरे डीआरसी के तौर पर मान लो बहुत सारी चीजें मैं कर रहा था, कुछ गैप थे, वो एससीएफ और एससीईआरटी ने मिलकर वो ट्रेनिंग लगाई। ये चीजें मोटिवेशन का काम करती है।
एससीएफ से सागर आया मेरे साथ, वहाँ इस नई टेक्निक मैंने एक्टिविटी सागर से भी सीखी।
SCF is 12 years old and I'm extremely excited about it. I'm extremely happy. In 2013 when Rahul and I were dreaming about SCF, little did we know that we would reach here in 12 years. To be honest, I did not even know that if we would reach 12 years. It is a great feeling and it's a privilege to build SCF along with incredible people who are now part of the team, incredible supporters who really believe in the mission more than anything else. Well-wishers, friends, families who've been with us every step of the way, and of course our teachers and children without whom I don't know where we would have been. So thank you to all of you.